Well, hi dear friends, welcome to the next part of integration. Well, as you can see on the board that I have given you two questions as homework, and I hope many of you might have tried the solutions, and I don't know how many of you got the answers, but yeah, let's solve them and we'll understand. Let's take the first one, my dear friends. Well, as you can see, this is the property. This is the question where you need to apply the property number 7, that is P7, right? So let me first take that this f of x. Let f of x is equal to sine raised to 5x into cos raised to 4x. Now let's check this function whether it's even function or odd function. So how to do that? Yeah, replace x with minus x. So I'll be getting f of minus x is equal to sine raised to 5, or you can write like this also. What I'll do is I'll write sine of minus x whole raised to 5 into cos of minus x whole raised to 5. Because you already know, my dear friends, sine square x and sine x the whole square, both are one and the same. No need to worry about it. Okay. Yeah. So now let me write this one, minus of sine x raised to 5 and cos x raised to 5. Because as we know, if minus is coming inside sine, it will come outside, and cos of minus x will be always cos x. So this will be minus sine raised to 5x into cos raised to 5x, because negative raised to odd number will be always odd. So now this is nothing but negative of, this is nothing but the function f of x. So what I got here is f of minus x is equal to minus times f of x is what I got. So from this I can conclude that, therefore I can say f given function is an odd function, okay. So therefore the final answer, if you call it as I, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 sine raised to 5x into cos raised to 4x dx, which is equal to 0. This has to be written in the answer, my dear friends. Well, this was the first question. Okay, so we had the one more question. So let's see that question. Well, the question was, let me take it from the textbook. Yeah, the question was, minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 sine square x into dx was the question, my dear friends, isn't it? Yeah. So let's see how can we solve this one. Well, let's take the function f of x. Let f of x is equal to sine square x. Let's replace x with minus x. So I'll be getting sine square of minus x, or you can write minus sine x the whole square, which is nothing but sine square x, and which is f of x. Means f of minus x is equal to f of x anta bartide. So therefore we can say f is an even function. In this case we got f is an even function. So in that case, I hope all of you know that P7 property. So from that property you can write here, applying P7 you can write, so this is equal to 2 times 0 to a sine square x and dx will be the thing. Yes or no, my dear friends? If you're getting confusion, you can see that P7 and you'll understand it. And I think it was 2 times, right? Yeah, 2 times 0 to pi by 4 sine square x and dx. So what next? Well, we know the formula, or you can again go for we'll apply the formula. In fact, 2 times 0 to pi by 4. Yeah, for sine square x we have the formula, that is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. This is a standard formula which is we got from cos 2x. I hope all of you know this formula, right? Cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Yeah, from this we got this one. Okay, so yeah, let's take this 2 outside. 2 will get cancel each other, so I'll be left with 0 to pi by 4 1 minus cos 2x into dx. So if I integrate, I'll be getting integration of 1 will be x minus cos 2x will be, very good, sine 2x divided by 2, and that is 0 to pi by 4, because it is in ax plus b form, my dear friends. Alva cos x do sin x anta barutte, but cos ax plus b idre 1 by a sin ax plus b anta barutte. So let's apply the limits now. So if I apply upper limit, so it will be pi by 4 in the place of x minus sine, nodi illi 2 ide, pi by 4. So sin pi by 2 step ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಯಾಕೆ, pi by 4 divided by 2 minus lower limit, ನೋಡಿ ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sin 0 ಕೂಡ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this will be 0. So what I will be getting is pi by 4 minus 2 ones are 2 2s are sin pi ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ, 0 ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yeah, sin pi is 0. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ we got pi by 4 as our pi by 4. I think ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi by 2 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, pi by 2 sin pi by 2 ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Yeah, so this will be 1 by 2. So pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 will be our answer. ಸೊ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ, ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದು ಈವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಆಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ದೆನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ important, my dear friends. I hope all of you got this one, and I believe that many of you might have tried also. Yeah, well, now let's go with the next set of questions. Well, today we will solve couple of questions related to property 2, I think P2 ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ questions solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. Let me take the first question. That will be question that I is equal to minus 5 to plus 5 mod of x plus 2 into dx is our question, my dear friends. So to understand this question, you need to know some of the basics. So what do you need to know? Well, you need to know the definition of mod function. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. f of x is equal to mod x, which is in turn defined as x if x is greater than or equal to 0 and minus x if x is less than 0. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. So this is the definition of mod function. Well, now in this case I am going to I need to remove this mod. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಮಾಡನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ -5 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ +5 ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಅಂದರೆ -5 ಇಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು +5 ಇದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ. So by looking, we can see if I write -2 here, so -2 plus 2 will be 0, isn't it? So I need to take a number or integer -2. Between -5 and -2, it will give me 0. It will give me negative answers, because you can see if I take -4 and +2 will be minus. Don't worry about this negative mod ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, because that's what actually we want to remove it. ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ mod ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, if I take -4 +2 will be -2, isn't it? So I'll be getting negative answers between -5 and -2, and between -2 to +5 I always get a positive numbers. So how you may ask me one question, sir, how do you got to know it's -2? It's very simple, my dear friends. You just need to equate x plus 2 equal to 0, and that will give you x equal to -2, and that will be your limiting value, or you can say that is a cutting value, you can say. So now what I'll do is I will write this integral like this: -5 to -2 and plus minus 2 to plus 5. I'll take two terms, two integrals. So I have splitted the integral from minus 5 to minus 2 and minus 2 to plus 5. So between these two, it is giving me negative number. So that is why I'll write this as minus of x plus 2 into dx. And between these two limits, it is giving me positive value. So I will write x plus 2 into dx. Yeah. Well, let's solve this one now. So let's write minus sign, and integration of x will be x square by 2 and 2 will be 2x. So this is from minus 5 to minus 2, plus if I solve this one, x square by 2 plus 2x, and limits will be minus 2 to plus 5. So let's apply the upper limit here. So if I apply the upper limit, nodi 2 square 4 agutte, 4 by 2 andre 2 agutte, plus 2 2s sorry, idu minus idalva, this is minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 will be, this will be minus 4. So I am done with upper limit. Let me write minus sign, lower limit. Minus 5 square will be 25. So this will be 25 by 2, and this will be minus 10, my dear friends. So let's apply the upper limit here. So upper limit is 5. So 5 square will be 25 by 2 plus 10, minus lower limit nodi, minus 2 square 4. 4 by 2 will be 2. So this will be minus 4. 2 2s 4 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yeah. So please note it down so that I'll erase the first two steps. Yeah. So let me erase this one and also this one. I don't need it. Yeah. So let's calculate it. This one. So this will be minus, or else let me take this minus sign inside only. Okay. So let me take this minus sign inside. So this will be minus 2 plus 4, minus into minus will be plus. So this will be plus 25 upon 2 and minus 10. Well, so because minus into minus plus, plus into minus will be minus. Yeah, and this one 25 by 2 plus 10. Let me erase this one, and so this is minus 2 and plus 4. So as you can see, my dear friends, can I cancel anything? Anything? I think plus 10 minus 10 will go, and plus 4 plus this will be 8. This is like plus 2 plus 4. I'll be left with 4 plus this will be 50 by 2. 50 by 2 will be 25. Yeah, so 25 plus 4 will be 29. So our answer is 29. So you may miss something in just like in the sign somewhere plus or minus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಬಹುದು, but ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. The answer is 29. So please pause the video and note it. Well, dear students, so the next question is integral of 2 to 8 mod of x minus 5 into dx, which is exactly similar to the now just we solved now. So if you want to solve it by yourself, so please pause the video and try to solve by yourself, or if you are still finding difficulty, then you can watch the video continuously. Well, so first thing is I need to break the limits. So how to break the limits? I need to check between what values I'll be getting positive answer and negative answer. So I told you no need to think much. X minus 5, if I equate it to 0, so I'll be getting x minus 5 equal to 0 alva. So this minus 5 goes that side, it will be plus 5. So that will tell me I need to break the limits at 5. So 2 to 5 and 5 to 8 will be the limit. So from between this one, I'll be getting negative value. So this will be minus of x minus 5 into dx, and plus here I'll be getting positive value. So x minus 5 into dx. So let's do the integration. It will be x square by 2 minus 5x, and limits from 2 to 5, and this will be x square by 2 minus 5x, and limits from 5 to 8. So let's apply the upper limit, my dear friends. So this will be negative of 5 square will be 25. So this will be 25 by 2 minus 5 5s are 25. So upper limit over, lower limit 2 square 4, 4 by 2 will be 2, minus 2 5s are, this will be 10. So upper limit and lower limit both are over for this integral that we calculated. And for here 8 square 64, 64 by 2 will be 36, right? So we'll write directly 36, and this will be 8 5s are 40, minus, okay, this will be 25 by 2 and minus 5 5s are 25, isn't it? Yeah. So let me erase the first step and even the second one. So let's see what we will get. So let me take this minus sign inside. So this will be minus 25 by 2, minus into minus will be plus 25, minus into minus will be plus, or you can say 8 minus 2 minus 8. So this will be minus 8, and here I will be having plus 36 minus 40 minus 25 by 2 plus 25. So if I calculate everything, I think this will be 25 plus 25 will be 50, and this will be minus 25. So minus 25 minus 8, and this will be minus 4. I think let me see the answer, my dear friends. This is question number 6. Question number 6, I think we got the answer as, oh, we got 9 as the answer. But yeah, somewhere something is going wrong. Let's calculate it again. So this will be minus 25 by 2, minus 25 by 2 will be minus 50 by 2, which will be minus 25, right? So this is minus 25, and here we have plus 25. This is minus 8, this is plus 36, minus 40 and plus 25. So these two cancel each other, isn't it? So this will give me minus 4. Yeah, so minus 8 minus 4 plus 25. So this will be minus 12 plus 25, which gives me a 9 as the answer. Yes or no? Because 25 12, so this will be 3, no, it's coming 13. Yes or no? So somewhere again some mistakes. Yeah, I think minus 25 by 2 minus 25 by 2 will be minus 50 minus 25. This will be plus 25. This is minus 8, and this is plus 36 minus 40 plus 25. So these two cancel each other. So this will be minus 4. Yes or no? Yeah, this is minus 4. This is minus 12 plus 25. So this is minus 12. I think yeah, let me check. Something is missing. Yeah, I got it, friends. I think we have made mistake here. That is 8 square will be 64. 64 by 2 will be 32. Yeah, in the flow I wrote it as 36. Actually this is 32, and here I need to write 32. So 32 minus 4, 40, that will be yeah. So let's see this one. So this is minus 8, and this will be again minus this is 32, right? Yeah, 32. So this will be again minus 8 plus 25 minus 16 plus 25, which is gives me plus 9 as our answer. So the mistake was here x square, that is 64 by 2, that is 32. So that's what I said in the earlier question also, that yeah, we may make mistake while this addition and subtraction things. Yeah, well, you can pause the video if you want, and yeah, note it down please. Well, dear friends, we have solved a couple of questions today wherein I have applied P2, that is breaking the limit property, and maybe a couple of questions might be there in the NCERT textbook. I think I have covered all, but if you find any other question, you can solve it by yourself, and if you are getting difficulty, then please contact me so that we can solve it further. In the coming video, in the next session, we are going to solve another couple of questions on the same thing, so that we'll get some confidence in solving definite integral problems by using the properties. So till then, take care and bye bye.